Here's why investing in real estate through Fundrise is a golden opportunity. Diversification. Fundrise lets you spread your investment across various properties, minimizing risk and maximizing potential returns. By investing in different asset classes and locations, you're hedging your bets and setting yourself up for success. Accessibility. Forget the notion that real estate investment is reserved for the wealthy elite. With Fundrise, you can start your journey with just $500. It's an invitation for everyone to participate in wealth-building opportunities previously out of reach. Professional management. Say goodbye to the headaches of property management. Fundrise handles all the nitty-gritty details, from acquisition to maintenance, so you can sit back, relax, and watch your investment grow. Passive income. Imagine receiving regular streams of income without lifting a finger. That's the beauty of real estate investing through Fundrise. Rental payments and potential appreciation become your allies in the quest for financial freedom. Potential for capital appreciation. Real estate values tend to appreciate over time, and Fundrise positions you to ride this wave of growth. By investing in a diversified portfolio of properties, you're tapping into the long-term appreciation of real estate assets.